Hi Keith, this is Baz from Adelaide Headlight Polish and Restoration. I'm just wanting to make this video to show your guys at Isuzu what's actually going on here. Now this is a rejected warranty claim, a 3-year-old, 4-year-old headlight, and the claim was that the headlights were actually scratched by the owner. But that's not actually what's happening, and that's cool because not many people know what's actually happening. So what's happening is the headlights have a clear coat applied from factory to protect them against UV. And that clear coat, after about 4 or 5 years, starts to fail. Now this one has failed a little bit prematurely, and the way you can see how it's failed is, let me just go close up here, focus in. Okay, so the claim was that they were scratched, and you can see here, that's what they were talking about. It looks, come on, let me focus. So see those scratches? They're not scratches. That is how the clear coat fails. Right? It fails in lines and fractures, similar to when in the olden days you put too much paint on your car and it came up all cracked and flaked and looks like the Australian desert. That's what's happening here. And this can be restored very easily by removing the factory clear coat by sanding and then repolishing the plastic and then sealing it with a ceramic of some kind to prevent it from happening again in the future. So let me just show you one that I did earlier, and that's the one on the other side. So if we come over here, you can see that this one was exactly the same as that other one, but look at it now. See, all that clear coat was rubbed off, repolished, and there's no scratches. They were not scratches. All right. So this side's fine. Refocus then and take you for another spin. All right, see that? This was just like the other side. Exactly the same, but they come off. So I can restore these headlights. And this should not have happened. It's way too early. This is only a 4-year-old car. Normally, I see failures after 5 or 6 years. So I think that this should have been claimable. I'll show you once again. They are not scratches. I'll try and get lots of angles for you. See that? They are not scratches. That is just how the clear coat fails. Zoom in, there you go, see that? Those lines are not scratches. They look like scratches because they're straight, but they're not. They can easily be sanded off, or of course shouldn't have happened in the first place this early. So, yeah, now you know. And as you can see, all the clear coat cracking is gone, restored beautifully. See that? No marks. A much cheaper solution than buying a new headlight, that's for sure. Close look here. That's beautiful. I'm happy with that.